Good morning, Sixers. So today's lesson is about substituting to evaluate addition and subtraction evaluations. Here we have a word problem, a table, and a series of questions, of 6 questions. So the word problem starts off by saying, my older sister is exactly 2 years older than I am. So I'm going to go ahead and just stop right there and underline, God bless you, 2 years older. Sharing a birthday is both fun and annoying. Every year on our birthday, we have a party, which is fun. But she always brags that she is 2 years older than I am, which is annoying. Shown below is a table of our ages starting when I was born. So A says, looking at the table, what patterns do you see? So looking at the table, I see that when I am 0, my sister is 2 because she's 2 years older. When I turned 1, my sister turned 3. When I turned 2, my sister turned 4, and so on and so forth. So what patterns do we see? You should see the same pattern that I see, which is that my age plus 2 equals my sister's age. So my age plus 2 equals my sister's age. The next one, letter B, says, on the day I turned 8, how old was my sister? So logic tells me that when I turn 8, my sister's age would be 8 plus 2, which is 10. The next question says, how do we know? We know this because if I am 8, then my sister is always 2 years older. Okay, and so we know that whatever my age is, I gotta add 2 for my sister's age. So letter D says, on the day I turned 16, how old is my sister? So at this point, we can go ahead and write 16 plus 2 to find my sister's age, and she is 18 years old. How do we know? Right, so letter E says, how do we know? That's going to be the same as above. She is always 2 years older. And then the last question, F, do we need to extend the table to calculate that answers? I'm going to say that's a no. We do not need to extend the table because we know that we have an equation. So my age plus 2 equals my sister's age. And that can work for even the numbers that are not on the table. Okay? So we do not need to extend the table, but that information can be calculated.